Are you trying to get organized this spring and you just don't know where to start? Maybe you're thinking about selling your home. Maybe you're just a few months out, or maybe you're just looking around like something has to change. And everyone is telling you the same thing: declutter, clean, stage. But let me tell you something that most people are not saying. Before you organize, before you declutter anything, you need to pray first and reset your mind. Because what you're dealing with might not just be clutter. And if I'm being honest, spring has a way of exposing everything. All the stuff we ignore all winter. It's showing up now in our closets full, counters crowded, rooms that just feel heavy. And if you're preparing to sell, that overwhelming feeling hits even harder, because now it's not just I need to clean, it's I need to let go, and that part, that gets emotional. So before we touch anything in our home, we need to get our hearts and our minds aligned first, because selling your home is not just a transaction, it's a transition. And I want you to remember this: God is not just concerned about where you're going, He's concerned about how you leave. There's a verse I want to come back to. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen, which means even if things feel slow, even if you're unsure, and even if you're waiting, God is not late. He's aligning things, the buyer, the timing, the next step. So before you start decluttering, I want you to do this. Pause and invite God into your home selling process. You can say something like, Lord, thank you for this home. Thank you for every memory, every lesson, every season. I give this home back to you. Guide me in what to release, what to keep, and what's next. Send the right buyer at the right time and give me peace through this process. Amen. Just having that one moment can shift everything, because now you're not just preparing a house, you're moving with purpose. Okay, now that your spirit is aligned, let's talk about the part everybody sees. Let's talk about spring cleaning and decluttering. But let me keep this real with you. Decluttering is not just physical, it's emotional, and it will get worse before it gets better. You're going to take everything out and look around like, why did I even start this? You're going to find things that bring back memories, some good, some bad, and some things you're just holding on to that don't belong in your next season and your next chapter. And here's the truth: if it's hard to let go, it might be exactly what needs to go. And that's why when we're decluttering, we have to declutter with purpose. Because let's get practical. Because yes, we're trusting God, but we're also doing the work. Start with your entryway. This is your home's first impression. When someone walks in, they already feel something. So remove shoes, any mail, and any clutter. Make it clean, make it open, and make it peaceful. We all already know where our clutter zones are: kitchen counters, dining table, bathroom sink. If your surfaces are full, your home will feel heavy. Clear them, because less is more. And those closets and cabinets, yes, buyers will look, not to judge you, but to understand the space. So remove at least half of the stuff you have in there and organize what's left. Use baskets if needed. You want it to feel spacious. You don't want a buyer to open up the closet and it feels overwhelming. So make sure you clean everything out. And start packing like you're already moving. Any seasonal items, pack them away. Any decor that you don't need or won't use for a while, pack it. Any extra stuff, pack it. This shifts your mindset from stuck to moving forward. Now, let's talk about furniture, because too much furniture makes your home feel smaller. So remove any extra pieces, open up your walkways, and let your home breathe. Let buyers see the space for what it is. Just give it a fresh look. Now, this one is going to be hard, depersonalizing, but it is necessary. So take down family photos, personal awards, any collection, because buyers need to see their life in your home, not yours. And the reason why I'm saying this is not that there's anything wrong with your personalized items. It's just that buyers want to see themselves in the home, so it makes it a little easier for them to picture themselves. And let me say this as a realtor: decluttered homes sell faster, they show better, and they photograph better. Especially in the spring, where buyers are emotional right now. They're visual and they're comparing your home to other homes around you. So how your home looks and feels is very important. Let me leave you with this though. You're not losing anything, you're releasing. And sometimes God can send what's next because you're still holding on to what was. And yes, this home served you. It blessed you. You have so many memories here. But it might not be where your next season is. And that's okay, because God's plan for you, they are still good. If this spoke to you, comment spring cleaning down below, because this is your reset season. I'm Teresa, a realtor here in Miami, and if you're thinking about selling your home, I would love to help you do it the right way, strategically and spiritually. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications because in the next video, we're going to talk about is spring the best or worst time to sell your house. Thank you for watching. Be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.